Hey there, in this video tutorial, we'll be implementing a drop-down list with remote data using JavaScript and jQuery AJAX. Drop-down lists are a common UI element used in web applications to allow users to select options from a list. In some cases, we may need to populate a drop-down list with data retrieved from a remote data source. So let's get started. First, we'll need to include the jQuery library, version 3, 6.0 or above, in our project. We'll also need a remote data source in JSON format. For this tutorial, we'll be using the JSON placeholder API. Next, we'll create our HTML code for the drop-down list. It's a simple select element with one default option. Moving on to the JavaScript code, we'll retrieve data from the JSON placeholder API using jQuery AJAX. In the success function, we'll loop through the data and create new option elements for each post. We'll set the value of each option to the post's ID and the text to the post's title. Finally, we'll append each option to the drop-down list using the append method. And that's it. With this knowledge and the full source code and sample provided in the description, you can now easily implement drop-down lists with remote data in your web applications. Thanks for watching.